Add some butter in a preheated pan. Then add egg. Add a dash of turmeric, a dash of some red chili powder and a pinch of salt, and then fry well. Add all whole garam masalas and now heat it for 1 minute. Remove your microwave bowl. I am adding 1 medium sized tomato and just a dash of salt for it to get mushy. Mix well so that it's coated, and now microwave it for 1 minute. Now remove your microwave safe bowl. Add some ginger garlic paste, some onion thinly sliced and some green chilies. Now keep it in microwave and microwave it for 2 minutes. So now remove your microwave safe bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon haldi or turmeric. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now mix well, and after mixing well, microwave it for 2 more minutes. Now remove your microwave safe bowl from the micro oven. Add basmati rice. Over here I have used 1 cup. For 1 cup of basmati rice, for 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I have now soaked rice. I have directly used it after washing, and now we will microwave it for 15 minutes. अब 7 मिनट हो गए हैं. हमने निकाल लिया है हमारे एक बिरयानी का जो मेन चावल का प्लेट है. अब हम उसमें डालेंगे हमारा जो अंडा था उसे, ताकि उसका जो फ्लेवर है वो सारा इसके पानी में उतर जाए और वो यूज़ अप हो जाए हमारे बिरयानी के फ्लेवर देने में. अब हम इससे लिड लगाएंगे. अब हमने लिड लगा ली है. अब हम इसे बचे हुए टाइम के लिए पकने देंगे, जो है 7 मिनट 42 सेकेंड्स. So now I'm going to remove it. Wow, Mom, can you see? It's looking so delicious and yummy. Let's give us a high five.